Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Ford's Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video is a speaker challenge between the iPhone XS Max, the iPhone X, and my LG G7. But before I get into that video, check this out. Okay everyone, so this is a speaker challenge between these three phones. Yes, I like doing these. These are not non-scientific. I'm gonna just play some non-copyrighted music from SoundCloud. Y'all be the judgment. Which one sounds the best? Which one's the loudest? Did they improve the speakers from the iPhone X to the iPhone XS Max? Or will the LG G7 still take the crown? Y'all let me know in the comments. Let's get this started. The iPhone XS Max and the iPhone X both have stereo speakers. The LG G7 has a bottom-facing speaker, but it has that boombox technology. Let's see which one wins. Let's get this started. So I'm gonna start with the XS Max because, you know, it's a new kid on the block. All right, so I have the first song. Let's play this bad boy. Alright, so that was the iPhone XS Max. What do y'all think about it? How did it sound? Here's the iPhone X. Same song. Alright, so that was the iPhone X. What y'all thought about that one? Here is the LG G7 Thank You. Same song. Alright, so that was the LG G7. What y'all thought about it? Y'all let me know. Now here's the iPhone XS Max. Next song. Alright, so that was the iPhone XS Max. What y'all thought about it? Again, let me know in the comments. We have the iPhone 10, same song. Alright, so that was the iPhone 10 from last year. Y'all let me know how that sounds. Here's the G7 again. Same song. Lights are wet and there's sweat on your embrace. One other thing I dare. Lights are out and there's time to your embrace. Then another dare. Lights are wet and there's sweat on your embrace. One other thing I dare. Lights are out and there's time to your embrace. Then another dare. Alright, so that was the LG G7. What y'all thought about it? Y'all let me know. I'm going to do one more song on the iPhone XS Max. Alright, so that was the iPhone XS Max. What do y'all think about that one? That one sounded pretty good to me. Same song on the iPhone 10. Alright, so that was the iPhone 10. Okay, so I have the LG G7 next. I'm going to play the same song. Alright, so that was the LG G7. That was my little speaker test. So who you thought won? The iPhone XS Max, the iPhone 10, or the LG G7? Y'all let me know in the comments. To me, I think the LG G7 still sounds the best. The iPhone XS Max definitely made improvement from the iPhone 10. That's just my opinion. I want to know yours. Let me know in the comments. Let's get a conversation going. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Hit that notification bell. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. You have a great day now.